It's the day after Thanksgiving. You've had your fill of turkey, but you can never get enough tunes. So tunes are taking over TNT, TBS, and the Cartoon Network. It's the Great American Tune-In. For the first time ever, all tunes all day on all three networks. It's unbelievable. Check out the Johnny Quest Fest on TNT, or switch to the Bugs-a-thon on TBS. And be sure to catch tunes A to Z on the Cartoon Network. So touch that dial, because no matter where you turn, there's another tune. The Great American Tune-In. All day the day after Thanksgiving. Remember, there's always room for more tunes.
It's the day after Thanksgiving. You pigged out and gravity's just bringing you down, down, down. But relief is on the way, because Cartoon Network is going to lift you up, up, up into outer...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This message is meant for any family or individuals that have purchased products that contain turkey. If you have a turkey that is contaminated, dispose it immediately. The United States Food and Drug Administration has predicted that turkey products are contaminated with a disease called prion. Prion is a type of disease that can attack the human brain inside. Some of these symptoms include, but are not limited to, vomiting out blood, unconsciousness, coughing, violent sneezing, nausea, and much more. The virus processing begins once an individual consumes contaminated meat. As of right now, the CDC confirmed that there is no cure for this virus. If you or your loved one has consumed a contaminated turkey, call the Volusia County Sheriff's Office at 555-296-2001.
On Cartoon Network.
Happy Thanksgiving, kids!
So get this, big Thanksgiving special. 2 lots.